What happens when a modern white flake floor gets a glow upgrade? You get a day mode and a night mode.
This install is for a customer who wanted something understated in the daylight but completely different after dark. So we took our hybrid soapstone blend and mixed in 10% of blue glow flake, just enough to make the floor come alive without overpowering the space. Before we get to the good stuff, we need to prep the slab properly. And if you've watched any of our installs, you know that everything starts with the prep. Grinding is where we win or lose the entire system. We're opening up the pores of the concrete, flattening high spots, and giving the coating something to bond to. We're using a 30-inch propane Lavina grinder with extra soft bits due to the extra hard concrete. After grinding, we vacuum like this floor owes us money. Every speck gone. Dust is a silent killer of adhesion. So this step matters more than it looks. Now the fun starts. With the slab prepped, we drop our base coat. This is the backbone of the system. It ties everything together. We want this coat smooth and even. Think of it as the canvas for our flake blend. Once the base coat is dialed in, we're ready to broadcast the flake. This is a hybrid soapstone blend with a very intentional 10% addition of blue glow flake. 10% is the sweet spot. Bright enough to activate at night, subtle enough to disappear into the texture during the day. This is the part that everyone thinks they're good at, until they try it. Broadcasting evenly is harder than it looks. We didn't capture the polyspartic top coat on this install, but if you want a full walkthrough from mixing to application to cure times, check out the video in the description. You've seen the process, now let's see why we added the glow.